Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 2, highlighted here on the chart using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $5.89 mark. And at the time of this recording, you can also see that we are holding above the wave 1 high, which is the first confirmation that the move that you are seeing at the moment is impulsive, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. We are also trading within this ascending channel, which is right here on the 1-hour chart, which has been well obeyed, giving us more than 3 touch points, and there are chances that we might continue gearing up and soon see a breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first give you my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $6.469 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Filecoin to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And for us to also fully maximize our target areas, I'm watching for a break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart, so that they can continue giving us support for us to continue gearing up and soon see a breakout out of the channel to the upper side. And once the breakout is in, we can expect maybe to see a retest of the upper side of the channel before we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our minimum target areas and maybe get to an even higher level here on the Fibonacci's. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios on the Filecoin chart, and also giving you the long-term outlook here on the Filecoin chart, where you can see that after seeing our bear market low at around the $2.467 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow having the wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $9.5 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now fully maximized our red target area in the formation of this wave 2. And on the long-term scenarios, having seen the formation of that 1-2 setup to the upside, whatever we expect next is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And that's the reason as to why you can see that I have micro Elliot wave counts here within the formation of this wave 3, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3. And within the formation of that wave 3, which is still impulsive, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas, where I have the wave 3 targets at around the $6.5 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Filecoin chart on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 51 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling pressure here on the MACD, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.